quite honestly, I'm kind of glad I didn't fly them.
Because you'd be spending money?
No, because every time I fly anybody else's gear, it breaks.
Oh.
I don't crash it, it breaks.
Apparently that's the same thing that happens with Josh. Apparently.
I flew Kyle's quad and it burnt an ESC. I'm a little afraid. Alright guys, so this is the quad I was just flying. It's a Hyperlow RS Plus. This is probably my third video that I've done of this quad. I did an intro for the frame itself. Then I did a follow-up video when I did a build, but I've kept updating this build quite a bit. And for that reason, I have another video now to tell you more about it. There's a couple of new things about it. This version has 6mm arms. The original version had 5mm and it's lighter, which is great, but I kept breaking arms here and there, so I finally decided I'll talk to Richard, the guy who designed it. I was like, you know what, can I have 6mm arms? And he made these and he's selling them with 6mm arms now as a new revised version. And I like it a lot because I've been crashing it a lot. I gained a little bit of weight, but not too much. It flies better in my opinion too. It's stiffer, less flex, and easier to tune, way better overall. So I'm definitely happy with the 6mm arms. This one is True X. I think the first two builds that I did were squashed, and this one is true. And with the GoPro where it is now, it's using the older style mount, I do get props in view, but I'll eventually have a higher mount with the one that he's selling, Richard is selling now with the frame. They'll get the GoPro a little bit higher. Plus I'm flying the GoPro 7 a lot more often too, which the camera ends up a little bit higher, and because of that you don't get props in view. With this setup you do, which is what you see in the video now. That's why there's props in view. Unless I decide to crop it for this video, we'll see. This one is 6S. It's flying the T-Motor F60 PRO III 1750 kV with 51466 gem fan MCK props. I really like this prop, really great prop. I prefer it on 5S and 6S. I've flown them with 4S, but I definitely prefer it on higher power builds. I have a little bit of harder time tuning it on 4S. This one has an RLine 1050, not the newest RLine, the one before that, is what I had. And I find the weight on it's about 175 grams, 170 grams, sort of. It's perfect, you know. And with 6S, normally flying 1300s on 4S, you get about the same sort of flight time when you go to a smaller 6S battery, but you keep the weight down. This quad, right now, as you see it, is very close to 600 grams. I think it's 615. I'll confirm it in the screen now. And the only reason is because it gained about 10 grams with the thicker arms, but because it's a Session 5 and a small 6S battery that actually weighs less than a lot of the 4S batteries, the weight's still very far down. I'm running lightweight antenna and all these things to save weight, even though I could run F40s to save more weight, but with the F60s, they're definitely, I'll fly 2306 and I'll fly 2207. Really, I've said I like one more than the other, but oftentimes it really depends on the day or how I feel. I think these are 2207.5 if I'm not mistaken. But this quad, since it came out, has seen a number of revisions, and this latest one with the 6mm arms is my favorite. I have 3 of them now. This one's on beta flight, still flying an old Tempest F4, this underrated FC, so good. But unfortunately it's discontinued. The other 2 are on Flight 1 Falco X. I don't know if Richard is going to offer this yet, but hold on, let me get more exposure going because it's getting dark. Okay, there. You see me a little bit brighter? Good. Whew. What's that? Anyway, I don't know. Oh, I am not gonna be able to do this now. I'm gonna have to wait. Okay, okay. Let him move on with his van. Come on, Mr. Plumber. By the way, that van, he's a plumber, and it says, his slogan is, "My business is going down the drain." I mean, how clever is that? Anyway, so I don't know if Richard is offering this still, but originally the Hyperlow RS and the RS Plus, which is this one, just had these skinny braces that go on either side. So with this brace, that brace, that brace, and that brace, it will be stiff enough. But now he sent me some prototype plates, which, if you can see, it actually ties the entire center together, and it's way stiffer. So with that brace, this brace, and that brace, definitely my favorite setup so far. Really good. I definitely recommend it. So if you're looking for a new frame from a boutique brand, I would say Hyperlow RS Plus. I've been flying a lot of them. I definitely really like this thing, and especially now I can with all confidence recommend it, because I know that not only is it good, it's well balanced, it's stiff, but I know you're not gonna go around breaking it either with the new arms. Oh, one thing I forgot, the ESCs. These are the iFlight 50 amp success slick ESCs, which are the narrow ones. There's a video for them, so go and check it out here. Alright guys, so I'll leave you with the rest of the flight. It's a beautiful golden hour in San Diego. I flew all day basically and just came out here to hang out with some friends and burned the last 3 packs I had left. I appreciate you being here, appreciate watching this. Thumbs up for this video. Every time you thumbs up, my videos get seen more and my channel improves, and that's all thanks to you. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so stay in touch because I got more coming. Thanks, I'll see you in the next one.